Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. I hope everybody is doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make this bubble stitch pillow cover. Very easy to make and very quick because I'm using a larger crochet hook than the usual one required for the yarn, so it makes it fast and easy. It's bubble stitch in front. It is bubble stitch in front and a double crochet behind, so it makes it even faster to achieve. If you want to see how I made it, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. So I'm using 8mm crochet hook and medium worsted acrylic yarn. I'll start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 45. So here I have chained 45. On the third chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, double crochet. On the next chain, double crochet and double crochet in every chain till the end of the row. So onto the next row, chain 1 and single crochet in the first stitch and a bubble stitch in the next one. So 5 incomplete double crochet joined together, all in the same stitch. You should have 6 loops on the hook. Oops. Okay, join and close with a single crochet in the next stitch, and we repeat the same throughout the row. In the next stitch, 5 incomplete double crochet join together. You should have 6 loops on your hook. 6, join and single crochet in the next stitch till the end of the row. And this is the last bubble stitch of this first row. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Single crochet in the last stitch. So I'm gonna chain 2, or you can chain 3 if you wish, and double crochet in every stitch. So in between every bubble stitch row is a double crochet row. So here at the beginning of this row I started with a single crochet. Now I'm gonna start right away with a bubble stitch. So chain 1 in order to get it alternating in between the previous bubbles. So chain 1 and right away I will start working my bubbles. So 5 incomplete double crochet and join. Six loops, join together and single crochet in the next stitch, and continue the same as per the pattern. So one thing which you will follow till the end of your work, so the first bubble stitch row I started with a bubble stitch right away after chaining 2, and then I alternated like said double single crochet bubble stitch, single crochet. So to get the alternating bubbles in between the previous ones, what you need to do in the next bubble stitch row is start with one single crochet. So here we started straight with a bubble stitch. The next bubble stitch row we start with a single crochet, and then we will finish with a single crochet with a bubble stitch as well. So whenever you start with a bubble stitch like this bubble stitch row, you end up with a bubble stitch and a single crochet, and whenever you start with a single crochet and the bubble stitch, you end up with two single crochet at the end of the work, and this way you will get bubbles in between the previous bubbles like this, instead of one on top of the other. I hope this is clear. Also follow the written pattern to understand more. The last bubble. And a single crochet in the last stitch. Onto the next row, the double crochet row. So from the next row and for the next 30 rows, I'm gonna double crochet only in every row. Only double crochet from now on till the end of the work. So this is the piece, how the piece looks like before folding and stitching the sides. So the bubble stitch side and the double crochet side. The double crochet side was made of 31 rows, and the bubble stitch side was made with 30 rows. Once it's folded with the yarn on the hook, I will join with a slip stitch, and I will single crochet on this side till the end of the line, and I will do the same in the next side. So single crochet in the last stitches before fastening off. And pull through all. That's it. We closed all the sides. And this is the pillow cover, how it looks like. I hope you found the tutorial easy to follow, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to look at the written pattern to help you achieving this pillow cover. Bye bye.